guys, we're back with Emma
and Kendall
at M&M DIY.
Today we're making peppermint bath bombs.
Let's get started.
Alright guys, let's get started. So the ingredients we'll need is baking soda, Epsom salts, cream of tartar, coconut oil, and peppermint oil. In a medium-sized glass bowl, mix together half a cup of baking soda, a third cup of Epsom salt, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, and whisk it all together. Microwave that coconut oil. Microwaves can be different, so microwave anywhere from 45 seconds to 30 seconds. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil.
Stir it well.
And 1 teaspoon of peppermint oil.
It's getting stuck in the wicks.
And also, this is not needed, but just to add a little bit of color, you can use soap colors, 1 drop, depending on, for this amount. You can add in a drop of soap coloring to give it a little bit of personality. If that's not enough, you can do more. But the paler the colors, the better, because we want it to be beautiful. We want pastel colors.
Like a peppermint.
It does look like peppermint because it's green. And you can use any essential oil. We just use peppermint because it smells awesome. It's
Should I
very
stop here because
relaxing.
it looks...
You could use a bath bomb mold or 2 ice cube trays. Scoop a heaping amount into both sides of the mold.
That's a baby on there.
And then firmly press them together. And then pull them apart. And you've got a beautiful bath bomb. For the best working bath bombs, let them sit for about 4 hours before you touch them again.
Come back next time for more
M&M DIY.
Why do we need a whisker?
That's a whisk, not a wixer.
No, I said a whisker.
Bloopers!
Do you want me to lick it?
No, that's poisonous, Emmy.
No, I didn't like the top where it was.
No, Emmy, you're smearing it into the grass. I don't think bath bomb is good for the grass. No. what are you doing, Emma? Emma, what are you doing? Emma!